I can't figure out a good way to make text on our for our graph. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to basically put the labels on using PowerPoint. So again, remember I copied the graph. I pasted it on my slide. Now here's what you can do is you go to Insert and you go Text Box. So you just put it here. This will be average. And then I can copy this. Oop, oh, ding. Wait a minute. Ah, no. Don't do it. All right, got it. You can copy this text box, and what I can do is I can paste it like... You could try to copy it. Wait a minute. So actually, we can just do insert. I'm going to do insert again. So we got... Here's our graph, insert, text box. This would be median. Again, you can play with the text in here. Do another text box. New text box. This would be weighted average. So this way it's a lot easier to see, okay? That's what I'm trying to get at. And again, you're going to put this wherever you want it. So you're basically labeling these. We can adjust all the fonts. We can make it bold. We can make it bigger. And in fact, you want it so people can read it. But that's what I would do in order to label your points. Remember, too, JC, I noticed you don't have any error bars on this. You might want to put some error bars on next time. Okay? All right, so you are good to go. I will work on it for the rest of the class period, and on Wednesday when you guys come in, we're going to present really quickly, and then she's going to go right into the community stuff. All right.